Hi everyone, I'm Carlos Ramirez and I'm going to tell you about Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder, chairman and CEO of Facebook. Okay, Mark Elliott Zuckerberg was born on May 14, 1984. He is 36 years old. He is American and he lives in Palo Alto, California. He is co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Facebook, and he is married with Priscilla Shan, doctor from the University of San Francisco. Zuckerberg started his Facebook project at the age of 19 years old as a social network for students. Over time, it became a communication tool used by everyone in the world. Mark was a visionary who now to build an empire. The social network Facebook has positioned him as one of the richest men in the world, according to Forbes magazine. This man owns a communication tool used all over the world, which generates him $27 billion every month. That is a lot of money. The family members. Randy Zuckerberg is the Mark's sister. She was born on February 28, 1982. She is 38 years old. She is American and she lives in Palo Alto, California. She is a businesswoman and writer. She works with Mark in her agency. Donna Zuckerberg was born in Dobbs Ferry, New York in 1987. She is American and her profession is writer classical scholar. His first monograph, Not All Did What Men, was published by Harvard University on October 2018. Priscilla Shan is the Mark's wife. She was born on February 24, 1985. She is 35 years old. She is American and she lives with Mark in Palo Alto, California. She is pediatrician and philanthropist, but she works with Mark in the Facebook project. Maxima Chan Zuckerberg is the first daughter of Mark and Priscilla. She's 4 years old. She was born on 2015. And the nationality is American. Edward Chan Zuckerberg is 3 years old and she was born on 2017. She is American and is the youngest daughter of Mark and Priscilla. And thank you. Bye bye.